Man, you ever stop and think about where your furniture comes from? That beautiful wooden table in your dining room? Or the sturdy bookshelf holding your favorite novels? Or that stack of firewood keeping you warm in the winter? It's easy to take these things for granted, but they all have a story, a journey that begins long before they enter our homes. It all starts out the same way: trees, massive and proud, standing tall in the forest. These giants of nature have been growing for decades, sometimes even centuries, absorbing sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil. But transforming those giants into something usable, that takes some serious muscle. It's not just about chopping down a tree, it's about turning that raw material into something functional and beautiful. And these days, that muscle comes from some of the most impressive machinery on the planet. We're talking about technology that has revolutionized the way we process wood, making it faster, safer, and more efficient. We're talking about machines that can take down a tree, strip it bare, and slice it into firewood faster than you can say timber. These machines are marvels of engineering designed to handle the toughest jobs with ease. Hydraulics whine, engines roar, metal teeth bite into wood with a force that's both awesome and a little bit terrifying. It's a symphony of power and precision, where every component works in perfect harmony to get the job done. It's a ballet of power and precision, a testament to human ingenuity and our never-ending quest to find smarter, better ways to get the job done. These machines are not just tools, they are the result of years of innovation and development. But it's not just about brute force. It's also about control and finesse. The operators of these machines are highly skilled, using advanced controls to guide the machinery with pinpoint accuracy. These machines are packed with technology, from computer-controlled saws to automated systems that can sort and stack lumber with incredible accuracy. It's a blend of raw power and sophisticated technology that makes modern wood processing so effective. It's a long way from the days of axes and two-man saws. Back then, wood processing was a labor-intensive and dangerous job, requiring immense physical strength and endurance. And you know what? That's a good thing, because while there's still a place for traditional skills and craftsmanship, these modern marvels are making the wood processing industry safer, more efficient, and more sustainable for everyone involved. Today, we can process wood with a level of precision and safety that was unimaginable just a few decades ago. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that we can continue to enjoy the benefits of wood without depleting our natural resources. It's a balance of tradition and innovation, where the old meets the new in a harmonious dance of progress. And let's not forget the artisans and craftsmen who take this processed wood and turn it into the beautiful furniture and structures we use every day. Their skill and creativity add the final touch, transforming raw wood into works of art. So next time you sit at your wooden table or warm yourself by the fire, take a moment to appreciate the journey that wood has taken. From towering trees in the forest to the advanced machinery that processes it, to the skilled hands that shape it, it's a story of transformation, innovation, and respect for nature. Wood is more than just a material. It's a testament to the passage of time, a record of the natural world, and a symbol of human ingenuity. When wood meets steel, it's not just a collision of materials. It's a partnership that brings out the best in both, creating something truly remarkable. So here's to the journey of wood, from forest to home, and to the incredible technology and craftsmanship that make it all possible. It's a story worth telling and one that continues to evolve with each passing year. Let's talk about the Japa 485 firewood processor for a second. This thing is a beast, plain and simple. Imagine a machine that can grab a log, strip off the bark, saw it to length, and split it into perfect firewood, all in one smooth operation. That's the Japa 485 in a nutshell. It's like a firewood factory on wheels. Now I know what you're thinking, that sounds dangerous. And yeah, any machine this powerful demands respect. But the Japa 485 is also built with safety in mind. It's got all sorts of features to protect the operator, like emergency stop buttons, safety cages, and sensors that prevent accidents. Plus, the whole thing is designed to be ergonomically sound, so you're not going to throw your back out just operating the controls. But the real beauty of this machine is its efficiency. With the Japa 485, a single operator can process a mountain of firewood in a fraction of the time it would take a whole crew using traditional methods. That means lower labor costs, increased productivity, and more wood getting to the people who need it. And because it processes wood so efficiently, there's less waste, which is good for the environment and good for business. It's a win-win all around. Now let's say you've got a pile of logs just begging to be turned into firewood. Maybe you've got a cozy fireplace that needs feeding, or perhaps you're preparing for a chilly winter ahead. Either way, those logs aren't going to split themselves. You could try splitting them by hand, good luck with that, but let's be honest, it's backbreaking work. Swinging an axe over and over again can be exhausting, not to mention time-consuming. And if the logs are particularly tough, you might find yourself getting frustrated pretty quickly. Or you could call in the heavy artillery, the Kpin CV 18K Pro Log Splitter. This machine is a game changer, designed to make your life a whole lot easier. This bad boy is in a whole other league when it comes to splitting power. It's not just a tool, it's a beast that can handle even the most stubborn logs with ease. We're talking about 18 tons of hydraulic force, enough to crack open even the toughest logs like they were toothpicks. Imagine the time and effort you'll save with that kind of power at your disposal. What sets the Kpin CV 18K Pro apart is its speed and ease of use. It's not just powerful, it's incredibly efficient. You can get through a whole pile of logs in no time, leaving you with more time to enjoy the warmth of your fire. Unlike some log splitters that require you to muscle the log into place, this one has a hydraulic lift and a log table that does all the heavy lifting for you. No more straining your back or struggling to position heavy logs. The hydraulic lift takes care of it, making the process almost effortless. All you have to do is position the log, step on the pedal, and bam! You've got yourself 2 perfectly split pieces of firewood. It's as simple as that. The foot pedal operation means you can keep both hands free, adding an extra layer of convenience and safety. But it's not just about raw power. The Kpin CV 18K Pro is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, making it a joy to use. The Kpin CV 18K Pro is also designed with safety in mind. Safety is paramount when dealing with such powerful machinery, and this log splitter doesn't disappoint. It's got a 2-handed operation system that prevents accidents, ensuring that both hands are occupied and away from the splitting action. The splitting wedge is designed to prevent kickback, so you don't have to worry about the log flying back at you. Plus, the whole machine is built like a tank, so you know it's going to stand up to years of heavy use. It's constructed from high-quality materials that can withstand the rigors of regular log splitting. Trust me, when you're dealing with this kind of power, you want a machine that's built to last. The Kpin CV 18K Pro is reliable and durable, ensuring that it will be a valuable tool in your arsenal for many years to come. The Kpin CV 18K Pro, it's got your back. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, this log splitter will make your wood splitting tasks easier, faster, and safer. So go ahead, tackle that pile of logs with confidence, knowing that the Kpin CV 18K Pro is up to the challenge. Of course, no discussion about wood processing would be complete without mentioning the big boys, the machines that harvest the trees in the first place. These colossal machines are the backbone of the forestry industry, designed to handle the immense task of felling and processing trees on a massive scale. They are the unsung heroes that work tirelessly in the background, ensuring that the raw materials needed for countless industries are readily available. And when it comes to forestry equipment, John Deere is a name that commands respect. Known for their durability, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, John Deere machines have set the standard in the industry. Their equipment is synonymous with reliability and performance, making them a favorite among forestry professionals worldwide. Their 1470D harvester is a prime example of engineering excellence. This machine is a marvel of modern technology, designed to handle the toughest forestry tasks with ease. It combines power, precision, and efficiency in a way that few other machines can match. This tracked beast can navigate the toughest terrain, grab a tree with its powerful claw, and in a matter of seconds delimb it, cut it to length, and stack it neatly for transport. The 1470D is not just a machine, it's a testament to what human ingenuity and engineering can achieve. It represents the pinnacle of forestry technology, capable of transforming a dense forest into neatly stacked logs ready for transport. But here's the thing, you don't need a multi-million-dollar John Deere to process wood efficiently. While these industrial giants are impressive, they are not the only option available. In fact, for many landowners, homesteaders, and small-scale firewood operations, there are more practical and affordable solutions. These days, there's a whole world of smaller, more affordable equipment out there that's perfect for landowners, homesteaders, and small-scale firewood operations. These machines are designed to be user-friendly, cost-effective, and highly efficient, making them accessible to a wider range of people. We're talking about portable sawmills, compact log splitters, and a variety of other tools that can make wood processing a breeze. Portable sawmills, for instance, allow you to mill your own lumber right on your property, saving you time and money. Compact log splitters can turn large logs into manageable pieces of firewood with minimal effort. And even DIY machines that people are building in their own garages. The DIY movement has brought a new level of creativity and innovation to wood processing. People are designing and building their own machines, tailored to their specific needs and preferences. And the best part? A lot of these smaller setups are surprisingly capable. They may not have the raw horsepower of the industrial giants, but they are more than sufficient for most small-scale operations. These machines are designed to be efficient, reliable, and easy to use, making them a great choice for anyone looking to process wood on a smaller scale. They might not have the raw horsepower of the industrial giants, but they can still get the job done. These machines are built to be tough and durable, capable of handling a variety of wood processing tasks with ease. Whether you're cutting logs, splitting firewood, or milling lumber, these smaller machines can help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. And because they're smaller and more maneuverable, they're often a better fit for working in tight spaces or on smaller properties. Their compact size makes them easy to transport and set up, allowing you to process wood wherever you need to. This flexibility is a major advantage for anyone working on a smaller scale. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about building your own wood processing equipment. It's a chance to put your skills and creativity to the test, and the end result is a machine that's perfectly suited to your needs. Building your own equipment can also save you money and give you a deeper understanding of how the machines work. It's a true test of ingenuity and craftsmanship. Creating your own wood processing equipment requires a combination of technical knowledge, practical skills, and creative thinking. It's a rewarding challenge that can lead to a greater appreciation for the tools and machines that make wood processing possible.